Are you tired of letting valuable leads slip through the cracks in Kvcore? Let's dive into a streamlined process for handling new leads in Kvcore to boost your conversion rates. Starting with speed, aim to contact a new lead within 5 minutes to drastically increase your chances of engagement. Immediately review the lead's profile. Note their source, search history, and any specific properties they've viewed. This information is gold. Tailor your initial message based on these details to demonstrate you understand their needs. Next, activate a relevant smart campaign. Kvore's automated follow-up sequences are designed to nurture leads over time, ensuring consistent communication even when you're busy. Personalize the initial text message or email within the smart campaign. A personal touch goes a long way. Mention a specific property or area they've shown interest in. Implement lead scoring to prioritize your efforts. Assign points for activities like property views, saved searches, and inquiries. Focus on leads with higher scores, as they're more likely to be actively engaged. Create a task in Kvcore to remind yourself to follow up. Set a specific date and time to reconnect, ensuring no lead is forgotten. By implementing these strategies, immediate contact, personalized communication, automated follow-up, and lead scoring, you'll not only convert more leads but also build stronger, lasting client relationships. Happy converting!